Hola mis amores, this is Masi with Masparkle DIYs. Today I'm super excited to share with you guys 3 simple and easy DIYs made from Dollar Tree items. But before we go to the first DIY today, I will tell you a little bit about my sweet friend Favi at Creations by Favi. Favi also makes Dollar Tree DIYs, and today we decided to collab to share with you guys 3 simple coffee bar DIYs. So after you are done watching my video, I invite you to go check her channel out. Her link is in the description down below and let her know I sent you. Okay, now let's go ahead and start with the first tutorial. I remove the paper, then I'm going to paint this side white so when I glue the crafting paper, it looks brighter. When I use the yardsticks from Dollar Tree to DIY, I don't throw away the sticks, I save them, then use them to frame signs. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. This crafting paper is from Hobby Lobby. And the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. Before gluing the sticks to the sign, I sanded where I cut them so I can get a cleaner finish. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere. Just us and these wooden letters are from Dollar Tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. These little stems, I already had them. I glue them to the side, then I glue a bow on top. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The materials I used to make the tier tray are these 2 tray plates, 2 glass vases, and a little plastic plate, all from Dollar Tree. You can spray paint it white or use acrylic paint like I did. I went ahead and painted the bottoms of the trays. I then glued 4 little wooden blocks from Dollar Tree to use as little feet. With A6000 glue and hot glue, I glue the vase in the center, then a little Dollar Tree Christmas tree inside the vase. Now glue the center plate on top of the vase. On top of the center plate, glue the second vase. And inside this vase, I glued the smaller Christmas tree from the package. And for the top, one of the little plastic plates, I painted white. For the final step, with the makeup sponge, I painted the borders of the plates by dabbing the black paint. Every time the snow is falling. After removing the paper, the staples, and the hanger, I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 coats of white paint. This little wreath is from the Target dollar spot. I cut a little piece with a wire cutter to make it a little bit smaller. These 2 hooks are also from the Target dollar spot and they were only $1. Make sure you use a really strong glue for this, like A6000, and let it dry for a few hours before you hang anything on it. Before I glue the wreath, I decided to glue a black tag, also from Dollar Tree, and with a white chalk marker, I wrote some words on it. So that was done, I went ahead and glued the wreath and a bow on top, then sanded all the edges with the sandpaper to distress the sign. Amores, thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know down in the comments which DIY today was your favorite. And I have another Dollar Tree DIY video coming this week, so stay tuned. I will see you soon. Bye!